Hello!
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Anna. And you?
My name is David. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, David.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books. Sometimes I go swimming in my free time.
What is your favorite sport?
I like basketball.
What is your favorite music?
I like rock music.
What is your favorite movie?
I like Lord of the Ring movie.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet dog and a pet cat.
What is your dog's name?
His name is Lucky.
That's a nice name.
Thank you.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who are they?
They are my father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and me.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
How old is he?
He is 47 years old.
And what does your mother do?
My mother is a nurse.
How old is your brother?
He is 10 years old.
Is he cute?
Yes, he is very cute.
How about your sister?
My sister is 13 years old. She likes drawing.
Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family very much.
What do you do together?
We eat dinner, watch TV, and play games together.
I think your family is very happy.
Yes, we are very happy.